Hi friends, welcome back to Yessaar Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Live Paint feature in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever wanted to quickly fill in colors, patterns, or gradients into your illustrations, Live Paint is the tool for you. The Live Paint feature in Adobe Illustrator is a powerful tool that allows you to fill in different areas of your artwork with colors, patterns, or gradients as if you were painting on a canvas. It's especially useful for coloring complex shapes or drawings made of intersecting lines. Below is a step-by-step guide to using Live Paint in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get started. Before you can start using the Live Paint feature, you need to have some artwork ready. This could be a drawing, a set of shapes, or any other design made up of paths and strokes. For example, you might have a hand-drawn sketch or a set of shapes that overlap each other. Use the pen tool, pencil tool, or any shape tool to draw your artwork. Make sure your artwork consists of paths and strokes. Live Paint works best with closed shapes, but it can also work with open paths. If you're working with hand-drawn lines, make sure there are no large gaps between the paths. Live Paint can handle small gaps, but larger ones might cause issues when filling with color. To start using the Live Paint feature, you first need to convert your artwork into a Live Paint group. Use the selection tool to select the artwork that you want to convert into a Live Paint group. Go to the Object menu at the top. Choose Live Paint once on bar. Make or simply press Alt plus C Ctrl plus X on Windows or Option plus Command plus X on Mac. Your artwork is now a Live Paint group, which means you can start applying colors, patterns, or gradients to individual areas within the group. Now that your artwork is a Live Paint group, you can use the Live Paint bucket tool to start filling in different areas. Choose the Live Paint bucket tool or press K on your keyboard from the toolbar. If you don't see it, it might be hidden under the Shape Builder tool. Click and hold the Shape Builder tool to reveal the Live Paint bucket tool. With the Live Paint bucket tool selected, you can choose a color from the swatches panel or the color picker. You'll notice that when you hover over different areas of your artwork, a preview will show which area will be filled with color. Click on the area you want to fill with the chosen color. The Live Paint bucket tool will fill that specific area. If you want to change colors quickly, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to cycle through the swatches in your swatches panel. Continue clicking on different areas to fill them with colors. You can also use the tool to apply gradients and patterns depending on your design needs. You can still make changes to your Live Paint group even after you've applied colors. Use the direct selection tool to modify individual paths within your live paint group. You can adjust anchor points, handles, or even add new paths. Any changes you make will automatically update the fills applied with the live paint bucket tool. You can add new paths to your live paint group by drawing them with any drawing tool and then adding them to the group via Object, Live Paint, Merge. To remove a section from the group, select the path with the direct selection tool and press Delete. If you need to finalize your artwork and want to convert the live paint group back into standard paths and shapes, go to Object, Live Paint, Expand. This will break down the live paint group into individual editable objects. Once you finish coloring your artwork, you might want to make some final adjustments. You can refine the colors or patterns using the swatches or color panel. Simply select the area with the live paint bucket tool and apply the new color. Use the gap options under the live paint menu to control how Illustrator handles gaps in your artwork. You can set Illustrator to automatically close gaps or highlight them for you to adjust manually. Remember to save your work frequently. Use File, Save or Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac user. The Live Paint feature in Adobe Illustrator is incredibly versatile for applying color to complex illustrations, allowing you to work as if you were using traditional painting techniques. With practice, you'll find that it offers a lot of creative freedom for coloring and modifying your vector artwork. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Yessaar Tech for more tutorials like this. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, drop them in the comments below.